I'm scared. Oh, it's on. Okay, this is the first, technically, challenge video, YouTube. Whatever. And it's the 3-can leading tower. 3-can tab made by Coca-Cola. Chug, no burp challenge. I ain't gonna be able to do it. I'll burp. Don't laugh. It's not funny.
Hey, it's not me doing it.
Tab. Oh my god. Subscribe, I know. I'm a fat girl, so can't help it. Let's get her done. I'm going to open it. Rules are, they're official. No joke. Not open. You have to open one at a time to drink these. One at a time to not burp. And these are fucking ice cold. I'm going to fucking have brain freeze. Doesn't matter how the way you drink it. You can sip it. You can chug it. I'm going to try to chug it. So, here we go. Oh, God. And for the record, I love Tab. So, any of you bitches have anything against Tab, suck my dick. Go over Tab. Alright. It's going to be fun. It's going to be fun. Woo, okay.
Smells good.
I know. I love this shit. I won't afterwards. I can't. It's cold as hell. I should have waited till it warmed up. No, if it's hot, you burp more. Okay, so let's get her done. I'm bitching out, so. I'm bitching out. Alright. 3, 2, fuck. Got acid. No, I feel that burp coming. Massage it down between the tits. I gotta have a can now. It hurts, actually. Oh my god. Okay, it went down. It's hurting. I feel it. Fucking, I got these bitches right here to do. My chest hurts. No, no burp. Hello. Okay. I'm bitching out. Alright. Get over. Oh god. Shit. I failed epically. God damn. Strong burp from a woman. I bitched out. I couldn't handle it no more. It's just like, it's Crystal. My hair's fucked up. Have a good day. I stole that line from somewhere. Have a good day anyway. Fuck it.